Man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to like button down to the ground. You see for the first time you watch the channel, watch ya. Please do subscribe. You know, we take and go do what you do. But anyway, watch a movie here. Christmas. It's a Christmas movie. Enjoy for Christmas Day and watch it on Christmas Day and tell everybody about it for now. Something you laugh about, you know what I mean? It's a comedy like. Let's go.
That is a tease. Let's go where nobody ever go. Wow. It's curious, one king, curious king. Aye. Christmas is coming and the fall is getting fat me happy. Put attention in the old man, and if you don't have attention, then the 5 cents will do. And if you don't have a 5 cents, then God bless you, yeah. But the Santa is a thief. The Santa is a criminal. The Santa is a thief. The Santa is a criminal. Take away the phone from the little girl and give to him girlfriend, and you rob the girls them. La 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 la. Bono was a river, no detective festival of him on the lock. The Santa is a thief. The Santa is a criminal. The Santa is a thief. Yes, him is a criminal. Him is just like a general. Like some people you all know. Some people you all know. Oh, yes, them a thief. Like the Santa, them a criminal. Oh, lonely. Come on, detective. Festival, do your job, do your job. Santa does a thief and him does a rob. Him a thief. Here go detective festival on the case. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Him thief rich, TV, laptop, anything, even laptop. Him just a thief, 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 thief. Him just a thief, 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 thief. Thieving from his own. Thieving from his home. Him coming to your home and then him knock you down and leave you there on the ground where him gone with all your things. Hey, the Santa is a thief. The Santa is a criminal. The Santa is a thief. Yes, him a criminal.
Me I look fake. I need to play this fan right now. What I do? Me I tell you focus on me, look for me. No, I can't take his skill, look at me. Come here, get it straight, you see, me attack. Me I dump you, me then left you because Christmas are coming in and no money. Me broke like a dog. Look, me wear bonnet. Me head want do. My nails want to want some new clothes. My toe want to
you come and start talk about you want nails, you want hair, you want this. You ever come say you want some good food?
No.
You ever come and say you want some good food?
What do you mean?
To get look of flesh.
Hello, me no want fat. Since if I my weight bother you, all of some man out they love my body. So I could no man, me I left you man, I left you.
Listen man.
Me I left you this
You know
Christmas.
Christmas has come.
Last Christmas me not get not even ice me. Me not get nothing. Me I left you this Christmas.
You can't make me talk. You talk no? Let me talk. Me I get to work, you see me?
Oh.
So Christmas we have a good man. Big money are coming
Next
in.
week Christmas
Yes.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about that man. You
More
come
money.
in. You are go
Need
good.
money.
You are go good every night. I come in. I lobster we go on date.
Good. That's something me I talk about.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah.
I want to make sure say you're real. And that.
Relax, man. Me
So give me a money now, like where they work. Give me a
I
money
get the money
now.
for me. And then say people walk up and rob people now. If me come already with my money, people can rob me before you come as well.
Tell me what about you the money and me go back for.
Listen, you see me as right now, I don't know somebody can rob me.
Nobody now rob you. You like a thief yourself, going to rob thief. Thief can't rob thief, you know?
You look like a thief. You look like a thief.
Yes.
I never thief and I ban.
Hello, remember so when me did them. I said they go over my auntie I go thief for food account give me. I make them run me belly.
Oh, she tell me say could I get it?
No, that she tell me say a thief for thief.
She said could I get the food but I told me go for one different day. And he didn't do that, so I take it up again.
A thief that is thief. You're a thief. You're born criminal. You're going there as a criminal.
You're not thief again. Oh God, I see I'm not a thief anymore. I'm not changed.
I'm going to do that bleach now. Can look at your hand look.
No man, for sure say the remedy just start work, isn't it? I see too many have hand gloves right there. You start with gloves and also you start. And that's when I ring mark, you know. But anyways, enough of that.
What?
When I get money man, you see me? I still get paid to me start
Alright,
work.
go check me other man then.
What?
What?
Move for yourself. Move for yourself.
Go
down there.
What me say while ago?
Yeah,
What me
check
say
the
what?
other man then.
No.
What you say?
You say me go check me other girl them.
You say your man
Girl.
them.
Aku bakisha yat. Sorry, Kaliata.
Good morning, Auntie Bev. Thank you for the suit, yeah. Thank you for the suit, yeah. You know what I mean? You go work. This a suit, I go hand out things to the kids them for the Christmas. This a Santa Claus suit, yeah. You go good. The one last year, I don't know what going on with it. Yeah, man. So everything go good. Yeah, man, everything go good. Yeah, man. Papa, I do charity. Yeah. My Empress G. So them go give me some things and out. So me wear the suit and out what they want the kids them. Yeah man, so it gonna be a good Christmas. Me there practice the ho there. Ho there. Yeah man, me I practice it. Cause the people afraid of me say, burn it down. Last year everybody I run up and down, but this year I say ho there. Alright. Yeah man. Me not celebrate the Thanksgiving though, me not tell me about it. Me know the history about not even the Black Friday. Make it tan. Me know what? Make it tan. I'm a Jamaican. I feel like Martin Luther King. I feel like Malcolm X. I feel like Marcus Garvey. But we not go no further. Me are one of them people there. Believe in a right. And there'll be a karma. So we don't worry about drama. Let's go. Yes. Christmas has come. Christmas has come, you know. It's a beautiful day, yeah. Look at that. Alright, so you can come.
Santa Claus.
Forward, man. We are dealing.
There, man.
Well, see the work there. The youth them all half of the work till after Christmas. So early January, the work. Sure, don't worry about it, man. When I tell you I get some work, I get some work. See house I build there. See young dig up already. See still style, but we not start here until January. So don't worry yourself. January name dep on here already. Alright?
So you can't give me a piece of money.
Here we go on. You call me Santa Claus a while ago. Me a Santa Cruz. That call the place I come from, they used to call me. But they start call me Santa Claus. The girls them alone call me Santa Claus. Because me give them everything. They think them fool me, but make it go on. They will all check me. Santa Claus, want me here for do? Bam, me give them money. Santa Claus, want a new dress? Bam, me give them money. They say Santa Claus, want put on a new room? Bam, me give them money. They say Santa Claus, want anything that they want, me give them.
I know if you woman she have planned to left me for Christmas. So she don't have no money, so now I work on. They buy one thing to be and go like in TV. So I know I have nothing to be her. She said she left me because she don't want no broke man, she want to make money. I'm not a money for you.
Yo, you have to find something do, man. At Christmas, you know. Borrow one money from somebody go to town. Buy some little ties them, little finger read them. Go on the road there. You have to broke your ducks. You have to broke your ducks. You look pretty one lighting at them. You put them go come out for Christmas. And them parents have to go buy them a pretty vandangles them. So just borrow money. Borrow money. You have some cousin there. So nice cousin. They must have money. Them are can artists. And Santa Claus then call me to because they get things from me. Them are thief. Right? So them must can give you strength. You check them, then give you strength. You do what myself you do. Buy some things and sell it back. If you borrow money from them and give them it back. But do something you can't make Christmas catch a broke. Dip on the road. You see all Christmas Eve, you feel that Saplaman town. Burn it down. You understand? I try to sell some things because all the people go there. All the people go there buy something there to sell. If a jazz you sell by beer red and white, you can't lose. A man and a woman a pass. Yo, daddy buy something for your woman if I really love her. So me have a pair of jazz here. White time, this time. You understand? You can't lose. Because if you don't buy that a woman shop like in the night, you know. So you go buy it, you push him up. If you love your woman, buy this for your man. You things them for your kids. If you love your kids, then buy this to them. You set them up right on the spot, that's all. You make money. Alright, anyway. Between me and you, I'm going to show you something. Look on a suit here. Just slide down, you know. This way I put on this here. People cry cream. Because I go for some money in Christmas, you know, this me I go in it for. Me have on this here. Nobody can recognize me, you know. You understand? So me, my way of living is not your way of living. Everybody have to do them one thing. You have to be original. So me choose a style here. If you want to go be the elf, you can go be the elf. You can go be anything you want to be. But I'm the official Santa. In this year Christmas, yeah. People are going ball. Anytime put on a suit, yeah. Buy one whole car, you know. Come in and drive my new car them. My whole car part, no take license plate, everything. When I roll up a yard, take out things and I sell it back. So you see me night one I sell something like Christmas Eve. Yeah. The car, I go get some things at some place. I'll take where I take from, I'll sell them back. Because I be a new suit me and take now, nothing hard. So yeah man, so anyway, that's all for garden me I do. I'll fix up some place when I come and paint up because Christmas I come and paint when I slide the air. So link me back, but boxing day. Aye. But if you do what I tell you to do, man, you're gonna have money, man. You're gonna have money. You'll lock back again. Friend, with the street. Yeah, detective festival. Well, just say you want the car for the whole like Christmas season. Well, me I get it for Christmas season. Just say $999.99 per day. You make it back, man. You work for the people them who are on the country and who are on the country have money. Who have all the account. Hello. Hello. Me say allegedly. Allegedly. I want me here. Me no know nothing about mom body business at Christmas. Avoid me now. You say you want it, yeah man, just go and take the car and give me your money when the month done, man. And me more calculate up something. Alright? You're police, you're big inspector, detective and all them sitting there. You're top notch. No ramp put man, if you drive good for you sitting there, your whole car I broke down by me see you last night on the road broke down. Right? Just go and take the car for a month. By New Year you get a bonus. Alright, just do that. The car there put down for you. No man, this somebody run joke with me. Got thief from a thief. This is sad. I saw a country gone. I be a thief there. Neighbor. You know, see me have a suit by yourself. Oh my God. Not trying dumb somebody not even can hear me, but it's so rough. The camera they now walking in yard. Yo, Detective Festival. You know, so right now, me have a case here. Me have a case here, you know. Somebody thief me suit. My red suit, somebody thief my red suit off of my line. My red suit, that's my red suit. When you come down, I'm going to give you one details. Alright? You know, better yet. Don't worry about that. Me go figure it out. Me figure it out. Me not rough pressure. Just come do it, though. Me not inform. Me not snitch. Me not snitch. Make it on. Make it on, man. No, not thief for me. Nothing. I do a red underpants. Make it on. Make it on. Go find out how. What could I go on here, man? Eh? What kind of sadness this morning here? Huh? No one suit.
Santa!
Oh, go on. Come through. You could do what you can manage here.
I want a piece of money more for your wife there.
No, she not there, you know.
I want a piece of money more if you stop me shop.
Why every time you come to Santa, you want? Yes, I
know how it go already, man. Just give me money if you stop me shop, man.
Oh, boy. I can't say no to me, you know. Because I'm a trailer load. When I born another son, I'm a trailer load. So, I can't say no to you, no.
Thank you, later.
Later for you. I will check you out at the shop one idea there.
Alright.
I go broke.
Alright.
I go broke. Ever seen on that girl, them come, tell them me not there, yeah?
Alright.
Tell them me not there. I go broke me. When you call Santa Claus, you know, Santa Claus come. They say you want fun. Me get to the fun. Blazing! Christmas a come. Through the year, you know, get enough something fun, you know. But anyway, I want to feel good. I'm more than one I want. So I want to feel good. You say you want the fun, you get the Russian fan. What now you say you want?
Oh, TV. That's some money.
Alright. Alright. I can't ring. Anyway. Tomorrow, I'll put some money dropping on my hand. I will drop off the TV tomorrow and send a piece of money in your account. Alright?
Yeah.
If me not get to come with the TV, I'm going to send one somebody from my first and fix it for you. Alright? So you're good go differently. It's a busy day today still, so I can't carry you. But you'll get the TV by tomorrow. Alright? Alright, original Santa Claus.
yeah, span because you want the other day and so righteous.
Yeah,
So
so
that one there
that the one there.
So that one there
Of course, we fun at work. Cause Santa buy me fun. And we get one TV tomorrow for him.
Oh,
Yeah, me and Santa move close, but we're not in and out. We just a boop him out, you know. So go and boop him out so we can get our time, free time being. So yeah, look so.
yes, I look like Santa buy everything. Santa buy all back Come on.
And I wonder when I go buy my good cousin and my best friend, Alia. Wagwan, come in.
What? Rich man.
Yeah man, some day I book out the things that I go buy for my Christmas plus I go buy my best friend something.
You have money at time?
I can't get my money book out for my Christmas and this not even like it I go do, brother. I tell you no cause bro.
Tell not what you can give me.
Not a thing me can give you.
You don't cook?
No sir, I don't cook, not a thing.
Alright. Alright. Imagine come big and piece of money and things you know. You can't give me no money. Alright. Nah, till it's not put on. Me I come back. Alright, cause later. Alright. I just see how I'm playing, so
You hear nothing now? I remember some things that come.
Right now, made a bun, man. Girl, sit down and make a hair cream. And that cream, when I got here, just I know, hurry up them to come out out of here.
Respect his job, here. Enough love. Wagwan. Wagwan, girl.
Because
You know, some come over and come here, I'm gonna see her. Have I said that? I cream you do.
yeah. It'll give me a warm time.
Look tough though.
Jesus, you better talk again.
Anyways.
You know, only look it tough.
Like when they play music with them and now back set a door and so.
Yeah, we did play one at a time, but me old woman over there, you know, she's still.
Oh, Pearline.
She a contact, well. And I can't turn it on, so I just turn it off.
Boy, your mama bleaching, I turn up door.
You
There's
know,
a big chance.
if I come look, you know, all the time.
Come on, like the company hold your foot there, sir. Right down there, sir. So today I go and do right now dinner, no cook.
You can't come and me and I can sit and come give me one day.
You know, so I'm not tree, I have tree I go and do nothing, I'm not tree first.
No man, you have to go left your front. You have to go just wash your teeth. It's a bun me bad man.
And they still a pass through, and they a pass through and I see what I go on, you know.
So they can't link me from?
You just have a good fire door, keep it up, eh? You know, just a normal pass through, normal check up, you know. You your pass safe, everything. And I tell me you want to come and see me, can help you know.
If there's one thing me know with you. You ever seen come here and give her money? Never. Never.
When
you ever want something?
When me rich, me get rich. When me get rich, man. You don't get rich, I know.
I know, so you go, you have to can't give sometime and you can't always.
If me come over here now and me have 2 business, I say,
Mama,
yes, me come over here.
It's a bun me now. You can't come out no more.
But anyways.
You hold at the front of me head. You want me come out the front and allow me go then?
No,
sit down there.
No one.
And on the aisle sheen.
Where did I see him?
Spray in there.
Anyways, me make a run. You see me, so I'm big up on yourself.
Alright.
I think you're not change for that. Enough. Alright, anyways, look more.
Alright.
Look more.
Okay. I'm back it. So, what me I'm going to sound music box. Sound box. Alright. So, music box. music box. Where's my charger? Let's see how it's doing.
So I can beg us not more than a me and him come for beg. I need to him beg rice for our sugar money.
That'd be nice. I don't even come over here. I can't tell me say woman send him a shop to buy brownie, right? I come over here and beg brownie. I'm here name shop. I'm here name shop.
Take him money then no
I'm gonna do what I want to do with it. Come and know that the girl is going to give me money if you go buy the brownie.
tomorrow, I'm glad me in the me yard.
The girl is so
I'm
good.
gonna have dollar figure.
Oh, what? Oh, God. Come. You're nasty with head. You're not, I don't know when you're nasty with. Come on. Woo! The water cool. Nasty man, my head a wash out. When you feel me a ball and when you wash out to the ball, see me.
Take time. Remember say burn up.
From burn up.
Get a bit of me guy hear this.
Well, you're not pay me no. My name is make you have to pay for the service. Like when I get money what you want free me.
No tell me I no money.
True, the girls them say me are the original Santa Claus. Anything what they want, they get. Nobody no want to work, you know. You understand? Me say nobody no want to work again. Them must say Santa Claus go give them this. All them they have all 4, 5, 6 man. Right? They must say Santa Claus go give them this. Santa Claus go give them that. Woman want ear for do, and me then call. They want buy one dress, and me then call. They want burger, and me then call. You understand? So they know nobody know everybody want relax, not cook, they don't want cook. You understand what I mean? They want breakfast, lunch and dinner. They don't want get in a bed. You understand? Sleep all day. No work at all. What kind of principle them this man? What a rough door. I shall survive it. So you say soon job in a place though? So you can hold up a something then man? Lord Claus, and maybe I got the Santa Claus then you can hold up things to the girls them for Christmas. Well, you have to do it, you know. You have to do it if you have to do it. Well, I dare go and hold it off.
Yo,
One.
I'm there. Every day you come on my yard.
Yo, you mean business?
So I never tell you.
You mean business? How much each? 32? 20? 24?
You see TV, right? You don't want to know much income. I don't make it drop off.
Yeah, Japan. Like Santa cook for your soup. Well.
Because I say me and Santa not in a work and me the carry me. I want to. No, yeah, stuff on the TV.
Our brand JSW.
Yeah, boy.
Hold on, money fit.
And that you come
No,
over.
sir, I think because this is a team, sir.
Every day, sir? You never normally call it me every day. How you want?
Straight to Santa by TV, you want to say for true. I look back. I look like say a true.
Where, babe? Where?
What's coming here? Come here now. We will come bigger.
No time to come
I
here.
don't want to fry for beg this morning. This morning I'm begging morning. We don't come here for beg.
Look that side and talk, look for
Today
the
is Sunday
TV.
morning. We don't bake on Sunday. You got no like bakers. They don't bake on Sunday. We only bake from Monday to Friday. Sometimes Saturday if possible. We don't bake on Sunday though. So I come here and bake it. We don't bake anything.
I'm sorry, please.
Anyways, no sugar.
No, me not have no sugar. Because I know so here come beg.
I don't bake. Me bake it. Me just ask for some sugar.
Me not have no.
Anyways, I say no sugar. So later, because I put the TV there. I can mash up now.
You not go mash up.
Expensive TV.
Time you come in my yard, you want something. time. If you go buy one hand spoon now.
Back in business now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, come give me a walking eye shop on them time now.
I mean, nothing more nobody if you know, you know.
Yeah, so
Yeah, man, I mean, you know, nobody if you know.
What problems in there, sir?
Ready?
So that means if Santa buy you, Santa means I play in your charge.
Don't mean by Santa play plan and courage. Santa help everybody, and me alone. All the girls don't
Wait. Come again now. Because there's something about the nice. Honestly, the trunk. Ready?
all the girls don't road me see Santa buy something, so I know me alone. Santa not fi play up in nobody soup. For them fi buy them, so Santa is a good man.
Anyways, biggest one I shop now.
Me no got nothing to give me right now.
Remember, you know, say Christmas are coming out. I can be a little bodyguard here, you know. It's for any little far down those things are going on here. I can watch out if you give me a money when a time.
No, sir. Me no want nobody. Santa buy more case on there now. Nobody can pull that. Me alone have the key for it. Nobody can pull. Let me go for come show you.
Oh, so money have in there?
Nobody can pull it.
Oh, so money in there?
Don't know what fit in there.
So me feel
No.
I feel the weird.
You can't make you feel you will wait on me money pan.
Alright then, keep it locked up. Y'all don't have a key, yes, yes. Alright, take care. President full moon.
Oh.
Santa love children. I have another surprise for you. Come closer, mother. You see that right there? Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Hello? Santa Claus! Hello? Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Oh my, the one that's too heavy. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Ho ho ho!
How are you doing that for me house?
Merry Christmas! Santa has gifts for everybody.
What you doing in my house? We are going to the box.
No, I bring box. You see that nice thing over there? Look. Nobody stops them. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Hi. Hello. Hello. I am Detective Festival. Yes. And I get some information from the station. Yes, that somebody stolen some TV from here, some television.
Yeah.
I would like to see the person who is responsible for this place.
I'm your own affairs, sir.
Oh, you're the one who is responsible for it?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what take place? What is the problem?
Miss my television and a whole heap of other something. Right now, I'm stressed. I don't know what to do. I'm there in here. I lay down about to knock, like to go sleep. And one year, ho ho ho. I'm gonna get up. The TV is on. I'm resisting. I'm money.
I'm not hearing you. Can you speak up a little louder,
Yes.
please?
I'm about to jump asleep. Me hear ho ho ho. I'm up me here, my TV gone.
Or something. I was on my job and I get some information about this vicinity area. And I would like to find out what go on here. I don't understand. What are you saying? Telling me that you heard somebody say ho ho ho. Is this a joke? Listen, look at this. Look keenly on this. I am Detective Festival and I come to investigate about the matter. You understand? So I need you to tell me whether if this is a joke thing or this is something serious. So if it's a joke thing, you tell me so I can go back and do my job. Anyway, can you tell me all of the items that missing from here, please, and thank you?
And my fan, my television, some pattern, some plate and some money. And the person beat me up and knock me out. But and a Santa take them.
Okay. Really? Is this a joke or what? Excuse me, what is your name, please?
No farmer joke. My name Deborah. Santa thief me something there. Me member good too. Santa do it.
Okay. I have all the information that you give me in my phone. So as soon as I go back by the station, I'll just put down all whatever you said to me in the book. So don't worry about it. I'll give you a call. So as soon as I call, you can come by the station. Just wait on a call. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So the same number that you used to call me, I'm going to save it in my phone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so have a nice evening. And I don't want you to worry about it because I'm going to deal with this.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, and don't be scared.
Oh, me feel I'm be scared. And
I don't want you to be scared. I'm going to send some of the workers around here, some of my squaddy, and let them come and check on you now and again, right? Okay, and please do not tell anyone this. Okay, so you will have your personal security, okay? Okay, and be careful and close the door.
Yes,
I'm on my way out now, so bye.
yes.
Okay, cool. a box. Hello?
Hello?
Detective Festival?
Yes, speaking.
You know, say, it look like me just get robbed.
Somebody else get robbed again?
Me just come off the road and buy me fi bus me door come in. Me see one man in one red Santa Claus sitting. Me ask him what I do in my house and see he take sitting and lick me in my head, man.
Hang on, what's your name, please?
Alia,
Where are you living?
me live Nampel Road.
Okay, so can you give me some direction? How many houses do I have to pass first before I reach where you're living, and what is the color of your building?
Alright, the color of the building a yellow and brown. On right side one big red shop, one big red sports bar. And Nampel Road and a big van park on the front of it. You can't miss it.
Okay, no problem. I was already on the road, so I'm close by you now. I'm coming.
Okay, alright.
Alright, just give me some minutes.
Alright.
Okay.
Who that?
Hello,
Who is it?
I'm Detective Festival.
Oh. I think of the Santa Claus a come back. Come in, man, come in.
Can I come inside?
Yeah, man, you can have a seat.
Okay, no, that's okay. I don't want to sit down. So, what were you saying now? What is the problem?
Well, me I come off the road because me feel hungry, so I go look something to eat and go to restaurant, eat and come back. But if you bus round the corner, there's one man in one red suit, Santa Claus, with my box, I go out through the door. And me ask my mother in the house, so he tell me if you look so, when I look so, panic in my head. I just wake up, I black out instant.
Are you serious about what you're saying to me, ma'am?
I'm 100%
I forgot
sure.
your
See
name.
them big
What's your name again?
Alia.
Alia.
Me have my big music box there, so it gone.
I don't understand what's going on in this place. You know? This is the second home that I've been to. You understand me? From today. Somebody's called by the station and make a report. Say that somebody, some Santa Claus, something, whatever, I don't know, coming by them and stole their stuff.
Yes, in come and I say, when I come in, and I say, maybe with Chris Moles. You know the little voice there? Like he have, I don't know, I not hear real voice, because that not sound like a real voice. And if I say sound in practice, no, I sound like a Santa Claus, it's true.
But these things look serious. These things look very, very serious, because the first time I thought it was a joke.
Everything
But this is the second person.
Feel it, Coco.
Oh my God, you have to go to the doctor.
Yeah, right now, me head a hat, me man.
Okay, so give me all of the items named that's stolen from you today.
I not search to know what else missing, but I know some big box with this, so I look if nothing else, Steve, you know, but I know so the big music box with there, so gone.
So, what's the name of that sound? Your sound box, what is the name? What brand it is?
I think a Empress, something like Empress.
Okay, so anything
Maybe
else
look if
missing?
nothing more missing, because... Maybe... Jesus Christ. The money gone. We have 600 euros, 600 euros up this.
That means there is a thief in Santa Claus going around.
The
Thief
money
in
that-
Santa. I'm gonna have to get rid of that person that wearing a Santa Claus clothes. And
The money
he's
they are
a
not people
thief.
for me, you know.
It's almost
don't know.
Christmas. So he think he's very smart, but I'm smarter than him. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna let you get back all of your items
And my money too.
and your money. That's okay. I already wrote it down in my phone. Don't worry about it. I'm so sorry, Alia. And I will keep in touch with you. Don't be scared. I'm gonna call you to make sure that you're okay. But the next time you heard somebody knocking your door and saying, ha ha, you don't have to open.
I wasn't here.
Ho ho ho, Santa.
I wasn't here.
Oh, you was not here, so
No,
that means you leave the door
Waki.
open?
I don't necessarily the food place them is. So I'm just going to the name one box food and come back. By me come back, me see the man in here.
Okay, alright. I'm the investigating officer. As I told you on the phone before, I just told you on the phone before I reached you that my name is Festival in what?
Detective Festival or Police
Yes, so
Festival?
no, Detective Festival, but I come to investigate the matter. Now, I heard, I'm going to take it by the station and I will give you a call, okay? So don't worry about it. Remember to keep your door closed. Close all door.
Here is a minute lucky door, man. I true me knows a thief still there Jamaica, you know?
Okay, now you pay to learn. Next time you make sure you close the door when you're going somewhere, even if it's just right there, okay ma'am?
Okay.
And you will get back your item, but it's not now. I have to do some investigation in the area.
Okay.
You understand? So okay, and I'm sorry about what happened.
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice evening.
Alright, Festival.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, this all come on and clap.
Very good.
Me rotted, but wait. I want me things them they were in here. No man, this serious. Me need to call the police. Cause me can't believe say them broke in my house. No man, them need to do better. It mean to God say thief not have come yet. But by the way, come to think about it, as soon Christmas. No, me need to call the police right now. Them gone with me nice good wine too, but them not easy. Me really need to call the police cause this get out of hand now, man. Good day, officer. I need you to come over my place right now, because this. Hello, good night.
Good night. Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking with Shika.
Okay, this is Detective Festival. How can I help you, please?
Good night, Detective Festival. You know that I was in my house sleeping, and while I was sleeping, I went to my bed with my things on my bed, and most of all, the thief also thief my nice good bottle of wine. And I need you to come over so that you can go ahead and do some investigation.
That somebody came by you and stole something from your home?
Yes, yes, officer.
So did you saw the person's face?
No, officer, but he sound like Santa Claus.
Lord have mercy. So, oh my God. How am I gonna get to you now? What's your name again?
My name is Shika.
Okay, and where are you living?
I'm living in Sheffield.
Okay, you're living in Sheffield, and can you give me a full description of where you live? How am I gonna find you? How many houses or shops from where you live?
I'm living at Sheffield, right after you pass the bump on the right side when you're coming down into Sheffield.
And what color house are you living into?
Blue.
Okay, blue. And I must ask for?
Shika.
Shika.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so the people in that area know you as Shika.
Yes, officer.
Okay, just give me about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. I'm on my way.
Yes, I'll be waiting for you, officer.
Alright, no problem. Hello?
Who is that?
Detective Festival, can I come inside?
Yes, detective, you can come.
Okay, alright. Good night again.
Good night, Officer Festival.
Can you explain what you were saying to me, please, and thank you?
Okay, as Mr. Medea asleep, and while I was sleeping, the only thing I hear, ho, ho, ho. But I didn't expect that when I wake up, I wouldn't see my nice good white wine, my nice handbag is gone, my nice good up teddy bear. It mean to God, so Santa really gone with me things them. And the hottest part about it, Santa shouldn't give me present instead of a thief from me. And the hottest thing, him gone with me damn lighter. When me go use to light my stove. Me don't understand that, Officer Festival.
Oh my God. So, this Santa, or I must say it this way, this person that going around calling himself Santa is a thief.
Yes, he is.
Alright. Oh my God, this is the third investigation I'm doing from today. And I know this is happening all because of Christmas is around the corner. So people is going around dressing certain type of clothes and robbing people. Yes. So anyway, I already wrote down everything that you told me on the phone. Yes. And I'm going to do some more investigation. I'm going to further this investigation, right?
Yes.
So don't worry about it. I'm going to let you get back everything. And when I said everything, I meant everything. Right?
Yes.
So, I'm gonna go now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry about everything.
Yes.
Please, next time, be careful. Close everywhere. Your windows, also your doors. Do not leave your doors or your windows open. If you're going to leave your home, close everywhere. Do a double check, like you're doing a security job.
Yes.
Make sure that everything is secure, well locked down and everything. I'm gonna have to find this Santa. This Santa is getting out of hand. You understand me?
Yes.
So don't worry about it. I'll give you a call.
Yes.
As I said to the rest of guys that have missing things gone.
Yes.
You understand? So don't worry. I'm gonna write down everything as soon as I go by the station. But I'm on my way now because it's getting late and I do a lot of work from today.
Yes. So it's a festival. I'll be waiting on the result, okay?
Yes. So, you know what? My mind just told me to bring some cameras that I have by the station.
Yes.
Yes. So after that now, I can see the footage of who is that person dressing in Santa Claus clothes, going around and stealing people's stuff. And sure is not a Santa. That is not a real Santa.
Could never be.
This is a thief in Santa, but I don't want you to go on the street or to your neighbor and explain anything that a detective came by you and you tell them that something missing, because you don't know if it's the same person you're talking to. They are the one who come and stole your stuff. You understand what I'm saying? It's okay. So have a nice evening.
Yes. Everything is confidential with me, okay? So you don't need to worry about
Alright,
that.
no problem. Alright, bye.
Yes. Can't believe so somebody were really dressed up like Santa. Really coming at my house, want to eat my good wine. Make I did catch him and in that stick. Which got him a serve.
Chief, you look good, man. Oh, God. Yes. Chief, you look good. You want bicycle. You want money to make up for them. Christmas are coming. I'm going to say you have money. You have money now. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Jesus! Can't buy. No, can't. Oh, that's it. Sell that for 20,000. Sell this for 10,000. Sell that there for 5. Ho, ho, ho!
Jesus Christ. This man come and say ho 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 and drop down my place. Sir! Jesus Christ. God help! Please. Wait. My blue case there. Jesus Christ, me get wrong. No sir, me get wrong. Jesus.
Detective Festival. You know, so me I give a tip off. And you see the Santa TV Santa you look for. Don't give a location. Every night in carrying goods and in storing in one place. Don't give them the location and you just go in upon him and lock him up. Not kill him, you know. Lock him up. Go and teach him a lesson.
The description that I get, you are the person. You're not going anywhere, sir. Excuse me. What did you call yourself again?
My name is...
Hello. You cannot go outside. If you go there, you're still gonna get caught. You know why? There's a lot of police around this building. And remember, you're going to the station right now because first we are going to detain you. We are going to ask you a question. That means I am going to caution you. You understand? You understand me? I'm going to apprehend you.
Yes, officer.
So you are going to stay in the cell until the day you must go in front of the judge. That means you're going to get a court date. You understand? So I'm going to write a case file for you. You understand what I'm saying now, sir? So you are the little thief going around taking away all these people that living in the community stuff that they work so hard for, and you did not work for it, and you thought that this is right to go around stealing people's stuff and selling other people. Right now, everybody that you sell, I am going to lock them up. I am going to make an arrest. You understand me? Because they know that you is not the real Santa. The real Santa don't go around and steal away stuff from people. They give people gifts for Christmas.
I give them your man, give people them. I give some.
No. I already hung on to some people that buy some stuff from you. They bought it from you. You understand? So everything that you have inside here and whatever you sell those people, you already sold them, right? We already take them back and we are going to go around and give back all the people that you stole all these items from. You are going to get locked up, sir. You understand? With no apology. What did I say to you? You are going to get arrested with no... Give this to me because the lady told me about this that you took from her and she needs to get it. And this is the box that she told me about. One of them missed that television there and all these items that you have inside here that you take away from all those people, the bicycle, the fan and everything that you have inside here, we need to give them back, even the tire. You leave the man vehicle and 3-wheel. What kind of Santa are you? That is theft. You're not supposed to go around and steal people things just like that. You need to work for what you want. So this Santa is a thieving Santa and we are going to publish. We are going to publish you. Yes, the public need to know about you. So you know what? Don't move. Else I'll take out what I did not want to take out. You understand what I'm saying? And do not let me call any of the police outside to come in here and start to harass you in the wrong way. Leave it. Do not touch it. So, this that you stole. No. Not, as far as I'm concerned, nothing inside here belongs to you. You're a thief. You is the thiefingest person I ever met on this planet. And you know what? You gone wrong, Santa. That you call yourself Santa. That's what you call yourself? You call yourself Santa. You are a thieving Santa. And you are a disgrace to the rest of Santa. You need to shut the hell up. You are not the real Santa. You are not the real Santa. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, you need to take this off. Take it off. That's what you do. Disguise yourself, going around and stealing stuff from people. This is not. Take this Santa clothes that you have on off right now and give it to me. You will never go back to another person's house and steal anything. I am tired of people calling me by the station and telling me that some Santa came by them and took away their stuff. Can I get the pants? Wait. Santa pants off. Give it to me, that's okay. I do not care if the pants, the shirt, whatever I took from you belongs to you. I don't care, I just need them. Stop going around and stealing away people's stuff. They work very hard for it. Give it to me. Take it off. Thank you, sir. So the thieving pants is, and this you go around and rob people in a nutshell. Like you're some professional thief. How many times I do this for the year? Are you have a certain time of the year when you do this? You out of order, eh? Sorry for you tonight. Because you now go sleep a year tonight. Many people them that you stole all these items from want to be happy. Well, no writing. No writing. You depend to me. You'll get it back. I don't need it. That's okay. I know. Yes. Put it right here. Thank you very much, sir. And these Santa Claus, it is not yours again. It's the last time you're going to wear them, and it's now. Anyway, this that I've showed you before, I forgot to tell you that how I get to find you is because of something inside of this that you don't even know. You don't know anything. There's a tracking device inside this. That's the reason why I find you. That is the reason why I know where you're at selling the people and stuff like they belongs to you. You're a thief and you need to stop it. So the tracking device in this is to catch you, and it really caught you for real. We set up this to catch you. You understand? We have a discussion how we're gonna get in touch with the thief. You understand? Well, I'm here with you now. You're not going anywhere, sir. Anyways, no, you're not going to use the bathroom right now because at this moment you're on arrest. Can you turn around, please? Turn around. And I'm not going to pull you, so I'm asking you to turn around, sir. What were you saying with your mouth? Why are you whispering? Okay. So put your hands behind you properly, like this. And handcuff you. What? Yes, as soon as you get the chance, you can get a lawyer. But for now, you're under arrest and no more talking for you. Else you're going to be in a big problem worse than this. So it depends on you what you're going to say. Be careful. Else, anything you say, I can use it against you in front of the law. You understand what I'm saying? So get your lawyer. You understand me? But as soon as we go by the station, I'm going to write down everything that you stole, even though we get them back now, and we are going to replace them back to the people. You need to stop going around and steal people's stuff. Young guy like you, Mr. Falls Santa, Jamaica thieving Falls Santa, is a disgrace to the real Santa that go around and give children gifts. Do not dress up in clothes that it is not yours and it doesn't fit you. You're not a Santa. You're a fake Santa. So you're a fraud. You is a fraud. A big one. So you need to get locked up. Because you're not going to go on the street for the Christmas. You're going to spend your Christmas and your New Year inside of the cell. Okay? I would love to see your woman. Because your woman is a thief just like you. What did you just say? You want to see your woman? You're not going to see any woman, I'm sorry. So you're going to sleep in the cell for Christmas as I told you before, and New Year. Then, after the New Year, you're going to court. If you did not know, anybody we hold now at this time of the year, they will never get any bail. Self-bail or whatever bail. You will get no bail at all. So you have to stay in the cell for Christmas and New Year. You understand? And now it's the 28th of what? November. So you have a little while in there. After the New Year, when everything is okay again and copper set, you will go to court. So if you have any family outside that doesn't thief like you, they are not a thief like you. You can get in touch with them. We are going to give you, we will of course, give you a call from the station to get in touch with your family. Because anything we take from you from the station, you're not going to see back until the day you're going home. You understand? You understand me, sir? Mr. False Thief Santa? Okay. Come. Just put him in the jeep for me, please, and thank you. Okay. I'll take the items out. Oh, alright, you want to come inside and help me? I'll come out there and sit in the vehicle with him, and then you can come inside and take up everything so we can give back all the items to the vehicle. I'll take this one with the tracking device. Stay in there. Somebody will come and take the handcuff off you. Just give me some minutes. Not right now. I'll send an officer to come and take the handcuff off. Okay? Anyway, take your shoes off. Give it to me. Just push it out here. Chain. Come, give it to me. Give this to me. Put it out there. Okay. I'll take it up. Hello? Yes, this is Detective Festival. I would like you to come over by the station. I need to show you something very important. I wouldn't say somebody because I don't think this thing is somebody. Yes, he's very heartless and cruel. He's a thief. I guess you know the person. Yes. So I need you to tell your next door neighbor and tell the other one. Can you just spread the news for me, please, and thank you? Yes, that we found this Santa Claus thief. Yes, the same person that going around acting like he's Santa and taking away people's stuff. I need all of you guys to come by the station. We are going to bring you around the cell so you can identify the face. Yes, man, Santa criminal. He's right there. Yes, okay. We are waiting. All right. Turn around. Come, get up.
must come out.
I wish I can't find this phone.
You must come out.
I
yeah?
wish. You know what?
So when I come out and better move on the speed I go and you see this happen, yeah?
I feel like to leave
Break
this.
down police are gone.
I feel like to break. You know what?
All you sit now.
I don't even know where to put it. You know, leave it. Go back on the bed. I'll call somebody to take it off.
I can see me now.
Excuse me. Get up. You and the handcuff giving problem. I'm not gonna bother to take it off. Please, can you get up? Thank you.
Help me up now.
Get up. Stand here. Facing that way. Look that way. I can't stand in prison. Your arm green. And your boots stink. Okay. Excuse me, who are you?
Good night. Me yes, I got my man, me come on, not look for. My man, excuse me. Babe, come here, what are you doing?
Hello, miss. You have to be careful what you're saying to me. Hello,
Me see it.
can you read?
A badge.
How is it called?
Police officer. Come here. Where in a jail for? Where in a jail for? Where do?
No.
So where in here
Hello.
for?
Back to the wall.
They say me a thief.
Stay down there.
In
son.
a thief.
Hello. I can see that you're full of attitude. And if you talk one more time without my permission, you're going to go straight
You don't have
inside
no
the
right
cell.
to lock me up. You cannot lock me because me a talk.
Beat up her down now.
Word is free. Me can chat freely. You cannot lock me up and my man me come bout.
I am not one of the police officers that you see on the street that you feel like you can talk to in any disrespectful way. So you better be careful of that stupid tongue in your stupid throat.
Wait, yeah.
Shut up! I am talking to you and you're disrespecting me in front of your teeth in Santa Claus, man. I can see that you don't have any ambition. You come inside the station here and you really accepting this thief, this criminal as
The man
your
is not no thief. Me I go sue you, you know.
Get out.
No, me personally I go sue you. Me I get my ladder because you're too bright.
You need to get out. I can see you never brought up.
Hello.
Hi.
Good night.
Do you know this person?
Yeah, me know him.
Is this the same person that...
Good Bobby no. Good walk
Good
around
night.
the community every day. Watch for the thief in boy. What thief my sister thief?
Hello, turn around before I...
Watch out.
Hello. Excuse me, I need to get up and stand up and face this way.
So him really thief
Stand
and
up,
come
back
back.
straight to the wall and turn around.
Okay.
Look
You're
this
gonna
way.
rock me in ya.
You need...
Watch him.
Are you sure?
Me 100% sure. Same height. All thing in there, man. Let me tell you, a couple days before, he come over there and big up me and me boom box and sitting. Me know see you.
Okay, don't worry
And
about
you
it.
do it.
You guys gonna get back everything that is stolen from you. Okay, you can go now.
Alright.
You little thief, yo.
Go up, girl.
No worry yourself. No worry yourself. You're gonna rot me in there. Oh, shut up, I can't with you.
Yeah. Road boy, are you really do that, man? So when me I look for my suit to go for my mission for the Christmas, so much of my night business, you know. Borrow the suit, but thief and thief, I laugh, ha ha, ho ho. You're there for your side Christmas, cause detective festival I and I brethren, right? So I and I not for charge her for the car and rent her for the month. Make the Tanya learn a lesson. See you know the new year. The work still on, but you have to learn a lesson. There shall be consequence. Alright.
Hey, thief in Santa boy. You look, I said, I can't come through this, you know. I just want, hey, I change not even know. How you come, sir? How will you come, sir? Yeah, walk around and thief everything. Lock up too good for you.
Look, you're not thief yet too.
Lock up too good for you. Actually, I can't come through the grill and I don't want to police them lock me up. So yeah, walk a thief or something. Look for you. Come here, little.
What if phone that she got talking son?
Thiefing, look at brutal. Coming on my shop, call knock me out and go with my money pan and wrap me up and wrap me in there, you. You know if you come out. Boy, you're Santa. Boy, you're hoo. Thief.
Wait now.
What a good thing say. The Rasta man put a chaka in the blue case something there. If he chuck you down, look at thief. All the while he buy me something people thiefy for me. Me catch you this time man, to thief man, I rat me off and rat me in a boy. Rotten. They don't feel let you out.
So you don't know, it's a Christmas thing. So 100k we are try reach. I just 7,000 more left. We then 93,000k. We just want 7,000 more. We can do it. Right? Tell a friend. 7,000 or more. We're up on the road to 90. We don't know, we're past 90 already. 100. Thank you for correcting me. Yeah man. So big up all the people them from that time till this time. We are going to put in the work. We are post a movie in the morning. I work for a movie in the morning. Be a work. If you love the work we are going with, subscribe. Link the people them and tell them to subscribe. We want to get you 100k. Alright? Don't play. Let's go. Yeah, Blessed. Do you know me? Do you know my name? Alright, so you know who I and I is. Right now, everybody will read Fire Ass and JAMMIWOOD. Repost this on your TikTok, your YouTube and everything. What I want for Christmas is 100k subscriber. We only need 7,000 more. Right? 7,000 more for 100k. That's what I want to celebrate this Christmas. We are 1 month. We know someone can do it. So repost it. Because my whole of fans worldwide they know for me them with that JAMMIWOOD. With that JAMMIWOOD. So if you want to see my movie then you have to come at JAMMIWOOD, One King. You understand? The new movie with me in it. Yeah. So just type in JAMMIWOOD. JAMMIWOOD. Right? And you find me also. Subscribe to the channel. You can watch all the movie. You can for a long time you say me they come go in the street. No people say, what for your ass there? Long time you see no movie to the bossy. Yeah, we do movie every day. So let's go over to JAMMIWOOD. Remember me tell you, JAMMIWOOD. Just write in that JAMMIWOOD. And go over there, subscribe. We want 7,000 more to catch to the 100k. Right? That is what I want for Christmas. Enough respect. Do it. I know that you can. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. You take what you take and you go do what you do. Alright? We are fight the good fight. You know what I mean? Well, of things to the new year. But let us get through the whole year first. You know what I mean? And give thanks to everything what you do in a life. Give thanks to the blessing. Give thanks to wake up this morning and everything. Give thanks. What about things going on in the world? I don't think I'm going to talk about it today, but we'll catch up on one next time. And one thing I can tell you, the thing might small, I will take the time and do it, but I'm not grudging nobody in the world for nothing where them have. Based upon some revelation that I've seen coming out of the world this year, I don't grudge nobody for stardom. Because enough man, I get held down. Enough man, I do a lot of different things that they're not supposed to do. Cross the board. So I'm good. I take my time, I build my things straightforward. That is just I and I way of surviving. Take what you take and go do what you do. Might slow, but 100k, just to say, yeah, we are putting some work from that time till now. JAMMIWOOD is here. Straight JAMMIWOOD. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. Give thanks for watching the movie still. You know what I mean? Give thanks for your support over the period of time. You know what I mean? Big up all of my sponsor them, all of my producer them from that time till this time. So I sweat. I'm gonna start work yet. Some of me I work, I put in the energy and the effort. Some might say me talk too much, but some people don't want to listen. And that's a problem though. We are too fast in everything, so we are get tricked because we just move too fast. So sometimes have to listen. Information to people sometimes tend to be boring, and that's a problem sometimes. Let's go. We don't have too much talking, because you know you go. Burn it down to the ground. Give thanks to the talk again. More movie are come. Remember, 100k for December 2014. Do it now. Let's go.